Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 使 step by step. I will first write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. 使 It means to make, to use, messenger. For example, 天使 天使 angel. Do you believe in angels? "你相信有天使吗？"你相信 believe 有天使吗？ Do you believe in angels? 你相信有天使吗？ Do you believe in angels? 你相信有天使吗？ My casual handwriting on the character 使使 to make, to use, messenger. 天使 angel. Do you believe in angels? 你相信有天使吗？使 Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character 使. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. That's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.